Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best puppy bottles is probably one of the most important investments you'll make when caring for newborn puppies, ensuring they receive the proper nutrition for healthy growth and development. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right puppy bottle, considering factors such as nipple size, material, and ease of cleaning, helping you make an informed decision to support your puppy's well-being. Number 5. PetAg Nursing Kit. This complete kit makes feeding your baby animals easier than ever. It includes everything you need for gentle and effective feeding. It's perfect for feeding various liquids like Espalac, KMR, or goat's milk to small animals. The kit adapts to different feeding requirements. You'll receive a 2-ounce bottle with a cap, 5 silicone nipples in various sizes, and a convenient cleaning brush. Everything is included for easy use. The flexible, latex-free nipples mimic a mother's nipple, encouraging natural feeding and healthy development. It also allows the animal to self-regulate their intake. The bottle's gradations help monitor feeding amounts, preventing over or underfeeding. It's durable and easy to clean thanks to the included brush. PetAg is committed to providing science-backed products made with high-quality ingredients. We're dedicated to enriching the lives of animals and their caregivers. What we like. It promotes natural feeding, comes with various nipples for different needs, and is easy to clean. If you prioritize a natural feeding experience and want options for different sized mouths, this is a great choice. It's perfect for pet owners who want to ensure their newborns get the best possible start. What people say. First off, you need to take sharp scissors and snip the top off each nipple. Don't even think of using a needle. The formula won't flow enough. Don't worry, there's different sized nipples for different flow rates. It came with multiple nipples, which is great. The bottle size is just right. The bottle itself is a good size. I like that it has measurement markings on it to indicate about how much has been eaten after each feeding. Number 4. Puppy Kitten Nursing Bottle. This innovative bottle makes feeding your newborn pet simple and efficient. Its easy squeeze design gives you precise control over feeding. It comes with 5 different sized nipples, ensuring a comfortable and safe feeding experience for your little one, no matter their size. The 60 ml bottle is perfectly sized for multiple feedings, and the various nipple sizes grow with your pet. The soft rubber nipples are designed to be gentle on your pet's gums, preventing any discomfort or injury. The included 5 ml brown syringe is light-safe, ideal for administering medication to your pet when they are unwell. It's suitable for kittens, puppies, hamsters, rabbits, and more. Give your pet the best possible start with this complete feeding kit. What we like. It includes multiple nipples of different sizes and a syringe for medication. If you need to precisely control feeding amounts or administer medicine, this kit is perfect. The different nipple sizes are great for pets at different developmental stages. This is a must-have for pet owners who value versatility and precision. What people say. Perfect size for my kitten. This kit saved a couple days old bunny. I got this kit and I feed him every 3 hours for a couple weeks, and then he was eating a lot on his own. 4.5 months later, he is doing well, litter train, and I feed him morning and evening. This was a great purchase. We found our week-old kitten abandoned and we did not have many options, needed something immediately, so we purchased a nursing bottle set at the pet store. We found this set on Amazon, and not only was it cheaper, but it has more feeding style options and is better quality than what was available at the pet store. Number 3. Mini Pet Feeder, Model 5. This complete kit makes feeding your small pets easy and safe. It includes everything you need for comfortable and precise feeding. You get a 50 ml bottle, 4 mini nipples, and syringes in 1 ml, 3 ml, and 5 ml sizes. Everything is ready to use right out of the box. Made from food-grade silicone, these nipples are soft, safe, and durable. They're pre-made with small holes, so there's no need to cut them. Designed by a veterinarian, the nipple mimics a mother's pacifier. 4 nipples are included, perfect for newborn kittens or puppies. The nipples and bottle are washable and reusable, making it a cost-effective and hygienic solution. The syringes help you accurately measure milk. It's ideal for newborn kittens, puppies, squirrels, rabbits, and other similar-sized animals. Give your pet the best care possible. What we like. It has soft, safe nipples and comes with multiple syringes for accurate feeding. If you are looking for a gentle and precise feeding solution, this is a good option. The soft nipples are especially beneficial for newborns. This kit is ideal for those who need accurate measurements and a gentle feeding experience. What people say. They were just small enough that they fit perfectly into the mouths of the little mice we were hand feeding. Easy to use and easy to clean and very durable. The tips for the bottle and syringes are soft and were perfect flow control. The size of the bottle and soft design also helped greatly. Very durable and easy to quickly clean between feedings. The plastic is soft, so it's easier to hold and to squeeze to help with flow. The nipple is soft and already has a hole in it that works great. Number 2. Lixit 2 ounces Nursing Kit. This kit has everything you need to care for your little one. It's perfect for hand-feeding baby animals. The bottle features markings to help you feed your pet the right amount every time. No more guesswork. It's ideal for puppies, kittens, guinea pigs, and other small animals needing bottle feeding. Gentle and easy to use. You get 3 nipples, and you can adjust the flow rate to suit your pet's needs. So convenient. Cleaning up is a breeze with the included brush. It's designed for quick and thorough cleaning. This kit makes bottle feeding your small pet simple and stress-free. Give your pet the best care possible. What we like. It features accurate measurements and an easy-to-clean design. If you need to precisely measure feeding amounts and want easy cleanup, this is a great choice. The adjustable nipples allow you to control the flow rate. This is perfect for pet owners who value accuracy and convenience. What people say. Love that it came with a bottle brush and extra nipples. The nipple is much thicker and I feel it will last a lot longer. Nipple replacements are also interchangeable. The bottles I was using before, so I can prep more than one at a time and leave in the fridge for next feeding. Number 1. PetAg Nurser Bottle. This bottle is designed for easy and natural feeding of small animals. It's perfect for administering essential liquids like milk replacers. It features a flexible, latex-free nipple that mimics a mother's nipple. This helps develop facial muscles and encourages natural feeding behavior. The bottle has clear gradations, making it simple to monitor your pet's intake and prevent overfeeding or underfeeding. It's built to withstand repeated use and is easy to clean thoroughly. This ensures hygiene and longevity. PetAg is committed to providing high-quality products for animals and their caregivers. We use science-backed formulations and high-quality ingredients. Give your small animal the best start with the PetAg Nurser Bottle. It's the ideal solution for providing essential nutrition. What we like. It's durable, promotes natural feeding, and is easy to clean. If you need a long-lasting, easy-to-clean bottle that mimics natural feeding, this is a great option. The durable design ensures it can withstand repeated use. This is perfect for pet owners who value durability and ease of use. What people say. The bottles are soft and that makes it easier for me to control the flow of milk and easier on my fingers. The nipple is soft and not too big for my kittens, plus they already have a hole in the end that delivers the right amount of milk. They are the perfect size to hold the right amount of formula I need for the tiny babies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.